Alright guys, so we're here. This is on a KitchenAid. When you press ice, you hear the motor, turns for a little bit, and nothing. Also, I'm feeling warm, cold air coming out from here. So that tells me this damper door needs to be replaced. It is not sealing. So that's something to check on yours. If you notice your ice is frosted and all stuck together, I would check that. Put your hand on there. If you feel moist, cold air coming out, then yes. So we're gonna press this. And you hear the motor, that's it. So I'm gonna replace that motor. So the the Auger motor lives under this panel. Phillips. And once you have taken those out, you can pry this up. It comes up pretty easily. Wiggle, wiggle. And there it is. Now you have 4 quarter screws and it comes right out.